Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making kimchi fried rice. It is my all-time favorite recipe, super easy to make, and is uber delicious. So first we're going to be going over all the ingredients that you need to make this. So first you'll need a large frying pan, some measuring spoons, a medium-sized saucepan, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 14 ounces of kimchi, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, a cup and a half of short grain sushi rice, half a white or yellow onion, a tablespoon and a half of gochujang.
Ooh, big head on the ring. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Some Nori Furikake for seasoning, 2 eggs, 2 green onions, 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 cups of water. We're going to start off by rinsing the rice to get some of the starch off so it's not so sticky after we're done cooking it. Then combine the rice with 2 cups of water. We'll bring it to a soft boil and cook for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's cut up all the veggies. Start by mincing up the 4 cloves of garlic. Then roughly cut up the 2 green onions. One more time because that's super satisfying to watch. Now we can chop up our half an onion. Then take the kimchi in a small metal strainer and we're going to try to squeeze out as much juice as we can. Fuck, I fucked up. Set aside a handful of kimchi for later. Now we're going to combine our kimchi juice with our soy sauce and our gochujang. Whisk that all together until all the lumps are out. Once your rice is done cooking, give it a good stir, and then we're going to fold in the sesame oil. Bring your pan to medium heat, then add a splash of oil, and then you're going to add your kimchi. Now stir fry the kimchi until it's brown and fragrant. Push the kimchi to the side to make room for the onion. Stir fry that all together until the onions are cooked. Now it's time to add in our sticky rice and make sure that we break up all the clumps. Once you get most of the clumps out, turn up the pan to medium-high heat and we're going to add in our sauce that we made. Mix it all together and then stir occasionally. At this point, I'm going to give it a taste test and see if I need to add any more soy sauce. Now top it with 2 fried eggs, some fresh kimchi, chopped scallions, and a lot of furikake. And there you go, kimchi fried rice. Time for the taste test. But before that, I'm gonna pour a glass of wine. Because everything tastes better with wine, right? Alright, let's try this.
Let's try this. Alana's fantastic kimchi fried rice, which we've been waiting for.
The kimchi is very tart.
Very tart? Sorry, I'm just trying to break the egg. I love the furikake on it too. It brings out a great flavor, a great saltiness to it. This is fantastic. I love the egg on it.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
You give it a 9 out of 10?
9 out of 10.
Okay. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come.
Don't use that.